Hey guys, Coffee here, and the classic event just recently updated. Yes. So this actually, text machine actually just like filled up completely and exploded. I wasn't there to see it though, sadly. So, womp womp. But they also released this new limited called Demon Shank. I'm just gonna call it Demon Shank for 40,000 Robux, which is a lot of money. Okay. I mean, unless you're rich, I would not see anybody wearing this. I don't know. Do you guys think it's worth it? I personally don't think it's worth it. I mean, it's literally a green sword. That's kind of glitchy. You can get like that kind of stuff for 40 Robux, like in today's market. But yeah, I just think it's a waste of money. We also have like 1 day left until the event ends, which is pretty sad for some people who didn't get to finish it. But who cares? The text machine is up. Now I don't really have to worry about the days because I finished everything. I didn't bling it because I personally think it's a waste of money to just to get everything gold. But yeah, that's cool. And then this duck flipped over. I haven't seen what's in the this area yet. I've just seen like the ducks and this flipping over. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out what's inside. The music changed as soon as I got in here, but okay, so it's like some sort of door. Let me try to peek through. 1x1 secret what? Secret case file. Do not share name. Okay, wait. Okay, I don't want to spoil that for myself yet. But okay, so there's green, yellow, blue, red. Or no, red, blue, yellow, green. Red, blue, yellow, green. Okay, so I have to have some sort of combination. Oh, okay, I understand. So you know those numbers? I'll put an image up screen where it's like there's different numbers scattered across the map, and they're all different colors basically. So I'm going to be doing that. Yeah, I'll catch you guys back when I'm done. Okay guys, I just finished getting everything here, as you can see. So we have to color code this, so that's why I wrote down the color for everything. And my code is 4 6 3 2. Alright, what is this, homie? Well, I'm gonna take a look around this. 1x1 and 1x1. Oh gosh, that is a lot of Roman numerals. Or dashes. I don't know, however you guys call them. Note, sighting has been recorded. Stay alert. Last seen unknown. Terminated 2017. Created in 2007. Okay, let's pull the sword. I guess I'm at Disneyland. What does the screen get? What the heck? Yo! Ow. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm gonna get my dog on you. Stop. Leave me alone. Who do you think you are? Ouch! Wait, I did not prepare for this. Ow! I did not prepare for this. What the heck? I did not prepare for this. Ow. Oh, stop. 1x1, stop. Okay. Oh, what's happening? Roblox the classic. Present. Wait, that's it? Wait, that's it? I thought it would be some. Wait, that can't be it. No. We can't just kill him like that. There has to be like some sort of boss fight or something. No way, that's it. There's no way. That was the lamest boss fight ever.